Varvid.
We're here at WPC, and this is the biggest partner event of the year. We've been interviewing a bunch of people today. We've been taking a lot of photographs. What are some of the things that you thought have been the most interesting that you've seen today?
Well, I think it's just the whole excitement around Windows 7. I mean, every partner we've talked to is selling it to their clients or using it in their own business, and they're all excited about it. They're all excited about the features. They're all excited about how their clients are using it. And it looks like it's a really anticipated operating system, which we haven't seen that in how many years now? I mean, it's been a long time since we can say anticipated something from Microsoft.
Ouch. Well, I will say this. I definitely think that the need to upgrade hardware is definitely out there. We've got PCs failing and people are ready to upgrade, and they're getting excited about it, which is great. The media, you know, ourselves included, I guess, are enthusiastic about Windows 7, and that's great. That's going to make a big difference for all of us. Something else I thought was interesting was Office 2010. What do you think about that?
Well, it's really interesting the way the whole desktop, cloud, mobile is all kind of blending together to where, you know, you're not going to be able to tell the difference. You know, really, wherever you're operating at, you're going to be operating your Office as if, you know, you're on whatever platform you're on, whether you're on your mobile phone, whether you're on a client, you know, thin computer, whether you're on your desktop, whatever it is, you're going to be able to access data anywhere, which our clients, I know, are clamoring for that kind of information and the ability to be able to easily access their information no matter where they're at.
Well, something I thought was a kind of an interesting way of looking at it was what we have today with Outlook. So with Outlook 2007, you really do have a pretty rich interface on a mobile device, on multiple mobile devices. You have it in a browser, especially in IE today, but that's really looking like that's going to change. They're really saying Safari, Firefox, they're naming the browsers, and they're saying it's going to be a full-blown solution. So I think we're going to see a lot more flexibility in where you're going to work and how you're going to work. I think this is going to be a big revolution, the next big revolution in IT.
Well, I think it's important. You know, Microsoft's got to keep up with what's happening out there. You know, they've got their big competitors and are making a push into the cloud, and we've got, you know, clients are asking, you know, why can't we move to these different things? But they want to stay with Microsoft. They're used to it. They're used to working on that platform. People don't want to change away from it, but they're hearing these alternatives out there. And now I think Microsoft's finally making a dedicated push and giving some answers that our clients can use.
Well, I know that you got some great photos today. We got a couple of great interviews. Keep an eye on Varvid.com, and I think you'll see some more good stuff coming.